Exponent. For any real number b and any positive integer n and b to the power of n means that n is used as a factor n times. This definition of exponent can be used to simplify expressions. In symbol, b to the power of n equals b times b times b times b dot 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 n times. The definition of exponent can be used to simplify many expressions. Example number 1. B to the power of 5 times b squared is equal to b times b times b times b times b times b times b. So it's equals to b to the power of 7 because 5 plus 2 is equals 7. Product of powers. For any number a and all integers m and n, a to the power of m times a to the power of n equals a to the power of m plus n. To multiply powers with the same base, copy the base, then add their exponents. Example number 1. A to the power of 4 times a to the power of 6. So, a plus 6 is equals to a over 10. And number 2, 4 to the power of 2 or 4 squared times 4 cubed is equals to 4 to the power of 5 because 2 plus 3 equals 5. Power of a power. For any number a and all integers m and n, a to the power of n times n because n is outside of the parentheses is equal to a to the power of mn. To raise a power to a certain power, copy the base, then multiply the exponents. B to the power of 5, then to the power of 3 or cube. So 5 times 3 is equals to 15. Then number 2, example number 2 is 2 to the power of 7 times 4. So 7 times 4 equals 28. That's why the answer is 2 to the power of 28. Power of a product. For all numbers a and b and any integer m, a, b to the power of m equals a to the power of m, b to the power of m. We just distribute the letter m. To raise the product of two or more factors to a certain power, each factor is raised to the indicated power. Example, c d to the power of 9 is equal to c 9 and d to the power of 9. As I said, we just need to distribute the 9. Number 2, 6 w to the power of 3 is equals to 6 cube and w cube. Power of a quotient. For all non-zero numbers a and b and any integer n, a over b to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n over b to the power of n. To find the power of a quotient, raise both numerator and denominator to indicate to the indicated power, then divide. Example number 1. A over b to the power of 8. We just distribute 8 to the numerator and the denominator. So a over to the power of 8 and b to the power of 8. Also in number 2. 2 over 3. So we just distribute it again. 2 to the power of 9 and 3 to the power of 9. Quotient of powers. For any non-zero number a and any integers m and n, a to the power of m over a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m minus n. If m is greater than n is equal to 1 and a to the power of n minus m if n is greater than m is equal to 1 if m is equal to n. If they're equal, the answer is 1. Zero exponent. Any non-zero number raised to a power of 0 is equal to 1. In symbols, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. A is always equal to 0. Example number 1. 63a to the power of 0, the answer is 1. 4x, y, z to the power of 0 is equals to 1. And we are done. Thank you for watching.